everybody, it's me again. Hi. Studio vlogging again. I am really enjoying studio vlogging. Like, I've got in a bit of a consistent routine. It's my New Year's resolution to be really consistent at it, and so far so good. I feel like I'm on a roll. I feel like I'm on the path I'm supposed to be on. Something weird with YouTube happens to me because obviously I started out doing like kawaii DIYs, squishy DIYs and stuff like that, and now I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna post whatever I post. Like, I'm feeling really creatively fulfilled, if that makes sense, like by doing these studio vlogs and having someone to talk to about what stuff that I'm doing, and then making things and them going out in the real world. It's a really hard thing to explain. So last night was the shop day. It's now Monday. Don't know if I've said that already, but it's the 1st of March. Hello. New month. How brilliant is that? We've made it through 2 months of the year already. Brilliant. I got so anxious yesterday after that shop update that I didn't end up checking my orders. I just couldn't face it. I was like, oh my god, if no one's ordered, I'm gonna feel so sad because I put in so much effort. Even though it was only a mini one, but like everything in the mini update was kind of handmade apart from like the vinyl stickers. But everything was sold out. Like, I'm gonna say 99% of things. When I looked this morning, all of my handmade like charms and stuff in that box that I made up, like I make up, I would get it, there's so much stuff on it, like this organizer box full of charms, and then I just sell them off once it's pretty much full, and everything sold out. Everything, literally everything sold. I'm feeling overwhelmed in a very good way. I did manage to get a huge bulk of orders out today. I got literally a third of them gone already. Brilliant. I knuckled down, I got the job done, and very happy with it. Walked to the post office, shipped everything out, and yeah, feel very pleased with that. But I have a whole load more to do, and yeah, that is a very good problem to have. I feel very good about it, and I'm going to start packing now. I've come back, it's 8 PM, getting ready to carry on packing. I'm going to put on some studio vlogs. I do have quite a few to watch because like Sunday they all kind of come out and I really enjoy that, and I like feel like I'm part of people who upload on Sunday now, even though like hardly anyone watches my videos, which is fine. That's a whole other story within itself. I might touch on that during this studio vlog actually. But yeah, I have Amy's ceramics, I've got catnip to catch up on, watched Apple Cheeks this morning as packing, I've got Paloma the Peach, got Mavu's new stationery video, and I've got loads of little things like in my watch later list. Maggie's studio vlog number 17 of hers. Loving it. Feel like I'm on the same path as some other people, and I feel like I finally found my calling and found my people on YouTube. It's a brilliant feeling, let me tell you. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking now and get back to packing.
Are you hearing my words I'm saying to you? 'Cause I'm looking in your eyes, you're looking past mine, but I'm just trying to break this cycle. Why are you staring at the door like I'm in the way? If you're leaving, that's fine, but don't forget your pride, 'cause I'm just trying to break this cycle. Are you? Are you? Are you? saying sorry for things that we can't change.
I don't know, but let's get some thank you cards. I ran out of thank you cards.
I don't wanna live that way. Do you? Do you? If you wanna go, I'll stay. I'll stay away. If you wanna go, I'll stay. I'll stay away. If you wanna go, I'll stay. I'll stay away. If you wanna go, I'll stay. I'll stay away.
Hello everyone, so it's currently Friday. It is literally 7 minutes past 7 p.m. I thought I'd just hop on because look what just arrived. My microphone. I'm so excited. I look an absolute mess because, to be honest, I've been exhausted. Like yesterday I ended up finishing off all of my orders and shipping them all out in the morning. I feel so proud and so happy with it. It was honestly the biggest shop update I've had so far. It's just knocked me for six. But I thought I'd come on right now and just open this up because it's just such a big moment. Like, I've wanted this mic for such a while and I haven't been able to afford it, and because of that shop update I was able to get it. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this up, hopefully play around with it tonight off camera and get it all working and everything, then tomorrow I'll be able to use it. I do actually have my vaccine in the morning. I'm very I don't want to say like, ooh, like I'm not looking forward. I'm a little bit apprehensive. I don't know. I always get like this with my flu jab and everything. Just one of those things. My body is one of those bodies that reacts really weird to things. So yeah, we won't talk anymore about that. This is about the mic. So I'm gonna get opening this and see what it's like. Oh, so excited. And then hopefully I'll be able to join you again tomorrow wearing this. We will see. So I'm just gonna open it up. So I got the wireless Go by Rode. I went with the proper brand that I really wanted, just because all the rest of like the mics that are kind of ripping the sky off are around about the same ballpark figure anyway. So this is anywhere between like 150 to like 180, I think. And then I also got the SC7 cable to go with it, which means that I can plug this in to the iPhone as well as my laptop, hopefully. So we'll see how it all goes. I'm just going to open this up now and test it out and stuff, and then tomorrow I'm going to be using it, hopefully, if all goes well, and you'll be able to hopefully hear a little bit of a difference and see me moving about rather than sat down with this little mic on the tripod. So yeah, here it is. I will leave a link to this mic down in the description just in case you're in the market for a new mic. Obviously I won't be able to give you a review yet, but all my YouTube pals who use this love this, and I love the sound on their videos when they do use it. So we will see. Let's have a little look. Timer again. Okay, look at these, so sweet. Which one's the mic? This one is the mic, this one is the receiver. Awesome. Then this one here I think is just the SC cable, which I decided to go up to the SC7 because of the way my laptop and stuff works, and I don't have an external mic on my camera, which is the main reason. What's this? Mini USB and just another one. Oh look, one of those little fuzzy things. Oh look, another fuzzy thing. Two fuzzy things. Love that. Hello everybody, so it's now Monday. I think I finally got this mic working, fingers crossed. I had such trouble with it over the weekend. Like, I was trying it out on Saturday, trying it out on Sunday, just could not get it to work, honestly. I also then had my COVID jab on the Saturday that I was talking about, and as I predicted, I was very ill, and it completely wrote off the day in the end. Honestly, it was so weird. So like, I had my jab at like 9 AM and then by like 5 my bottom lip swelled up. It was really weird, and then I ended up like getting, you know, hot flushes. I was like getting the chills, I was like sweating, I was all dizzy, I was feeling sick, and it just went on until like early on Sunday morning, so almost like 24 hours after, and then I was like completely fine again. Like I felt like I kind of had like a bit of a like ill hangover yesterday, but now today I woke up, I'm like feeling, you know, good as new. But I feel like I've missed out on my weekend and my whole room is a tip. But yeah, here's the new mic. I've clipped it on here. So now on, I will have this little mic on, but the thing is, hopefully it's gonna really help me out in moving around the actual kind of room here at least, and then going out and stuff like that. And then when the country opens, hopefully we can get out and about together, we can go to some shops again. I usually film that sort of stuff over on my other channel, still kind of working out what I'm doing with the two channels. It's getting a little bit confusing because obviously I split it down the middle when I was making cute DIYs here and then doing home DIYs on my other channel, but now I seem to be doing studio vlogs here and doing a shop here, and then I don't know what I'm going to be doing on the other one. It's all very confusing. But yeah, so I'll come closer, so hopefully the mic and stuff will still sound the same. But this is just what it looks like. It's this little box with a little clip on, and yeah, look at that. So hopefully, like, look, I can go out of shot and you'll still be able to hear me exactly the same as when you do all the way over here and just everywhere. Fingers crossed this is going to solve my problems. Okay, so I've just finished editing this vlog, like completely finished. It didn't really go anywhere. I feel like it was a bit of a dead end vlog, just because I had to abruptly stop filming when I got ill, when this mic just absolutely screwed up. I could insert some footage of that, but to be honest, nobody's going to want to see it. But yeah, so this is the sound of the new mic. Hello. How's it going? Yeah, it sounds a lot different to my voiceover mic. I'm well aware of that, but it sounds 10 times better than my camera mic. So I will do a little bit of a comparison right now. Like, so this is me talking on my mic right now, and this is me talking on my camera mic, so hopefully you can hear that. Basically the main thing is now I'm going to be able to move around. So I've got this little clip on, which is just here. It's like this little square mic. It's got the mic on this side, so I could just clip it onto the hoodie or a t-shirt or just whatever I'm wearing, and then I'm good to go. It's plugged into my laptop filming for me because I don't have the external mic on my camera, which I spoke about before, but I now have the ability to do this. Like, look, I'm walking around my room and hopefully you can still hear me. I feel like one of those professors that's doing their own thing, you know, being like teaching like hello students and still being able to talk. I don't know, it's a really odd thing, but yeah, hopefully this is going to help me out a little bit, and in future when, like, you know, the UK opens up a bit more, I'll be able to, you know, go outside, maybe go to some stores or something, like go to the craft shop without me sounding like an absolute mess. This here is going to be transferable as well, so when I upgrade my camera eventually, then I'll also be able to use this microphone on it, because I am in desperate need for a new camera because I've recently broke some of the hardware on it. I've actually had this one here for 5 years now, so this has seen me through my whole YouTube kind of journey. Love it, love the build of it, love the lenses. Just really invested at the start, and now I'm looking to reinvest again because I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be doing YouTube for a little while longer. But the hair's really annoying, just seen that in the reflection. I did actually say earlier on, like in this vlog, about like my views and stuff, and I said I'll touch on that. So basically, I'm really like hyper aware of the fact that my YouTube views are lower. I've been getting some comments recently like, oh, it must be so embarrassing like to have lower comments, like really mean ones, like straight dagger to the heart type comments. I think it just gets to me a little bit because I'm very aware of it, but the thing is, I've chosen not to care about that so much anymore. I'm not going to let that influence what I'm doing. So I know I'm going to go through a period of time where my views are going to be lower because basically the people who've subscribed to my channel like before, you know, I've switched over my content a little bit, are still looking for that sort of content, and that's absolutely fine. I just don't feel like it's jamming with me much anymore, so I've just moving on and making whatever I want to be making. At the moment I'm wanting to do a shop, really expand that, go through that journey, so that's what I'm filming behind the scenes on for these studio vlogs. If you're here with me, then you'll know that, and you're one of those people who will still be watching that. But I know some people, well, the majority of people who subscribe to my channel, that wasn't what they subscribed for, but hopefully a few of you will stick on, and then hopefully the further and further we go along, we'll find new people who are interested in my new content. And it's just, I'm going through that, you know, bit at the bottom, and hopefully we can pick it back up. If we can't, that's absolutely fine. I don't mind. I'm still going to be doing what I want to be doing anyway, and this is the sort of stuff that I'll be doing regardless, like if I was filming it for YouTube or not. So that's why I feel really content right now, and I think that's what I'm really focusing on. I think 2020 switched us all up a little bit and has made us reevaluate what we're kind of doing, and yeah, that's basically it. So I'm aware that my views are lower, and that's absolutely fine. I just know it's all a wavy game with YouTube. It always has been. Like, I started off doing YouTube with, obviously, like everyone does, 0 subscribers, 0 followers on Instagram, nothing. And it wasn't until like a good year and 6 months in that I even got like 1,000 subscribers, and was getting like, you know, 100 views on my videos. So honestly, it doesn't bother me. What bothers me is like the comments and stuff about it, like thinking that I'm like, you know, should be embarrassed by it or something like that. But I don't know. It is what it is. I know I'm changing my content for me, and I know that the waves of the views and that sort of stuff will come back around. Yeah, I just got to find my people again. You know what I said? I keep saying that. I think I found where I want to be, and I just need to get myself in my circles that I want to be in. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today. I know this video was a bit weird, like not an awful lot happened. I have asked on Instagram for some questions for a Q&A segment in my next studio vlog. So if you have any questions that you want to ask, got any burning questions you want some answers to, just fire away. Yeah, I will see what I can do. Thank you so much for joining me today, and just any other time really, honestly. Yeah, really enjoying it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you probably on Wednesday. Because I think I'm going to be doing how I'm making my Kiss Cut like branding stickers and everything that I showed in this vlog, because I know I'll get a few questions, so I thought I would do that. I think that'll be a fun video, just a standalone one, and then you'll get the studio vlog again, you know, from today. I'll start filming that again today, and we'll keep on going behind the scenes of everything I'm doing, because I'm really enjoying filming those. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you then.